Let's start today's patrol! Whoa, what happened? I got separated from my dad in the park. Whoa, don't worry. Let's find your dad together. Dad, you're awesome! Can you help me catch the thief? No problem. Leave it to me. Go, go, go! You found my purse! Thank you so much! You're welcome! It's my duty! Officer Kiki, mission accomplished!
Stop at a red light, go at a green light. I'm running low on gas. Please fill up my fuel tank.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
There you must go!
Can you help me find the criminal? Do you know what the bad guy looks like? He was wearing a green vest, brown pants, and a blue scarf around his neck. Okay, first, let's piece the bad guy's portrait together. Now find out where the bad guy is. Awesome, thank you. You're welcome. Pink, what's going on? I want to share the toys with my friends, but I can't find them. Can you help? No problem. Let's look for them together. These things are missing. Help Pink find them. Ah, here are the toys. Tap on them. Let's find the other toys. Amazing! We found all the toys! Thank you!